this is how the seat is designed to work, or the post and seat is just designed to kind of just take the weight off my knees and take the weight off my feet, so I can still fish standing up. The kayak is it's an Outlaw Outlaw 11.5. It's designed to stand up in, so I'm not worried about that. It's stable enough to support me and stand up and fish. But I just wanted a seat that I could use that was fast to take apart and put together, and then would just take the weight off my knees just a little bit. So I just want to be able to stand and fish. If I need to, I can still pull the seat up, get down in my tackle box and get the anchor line and do stuff back in here. Put the seat back and go back to work. I think it'll work. I am putting weight straight down on the post. It's at a 7.5 degree or 7 degree angle. And that I got that from my initial prototype that I built out of 2x4s. It just looked like straight up was too straight, 10 degrees was a little too far. It seemed like I was slipping off the seat a little bit more, but now it's, I think, just right. So, yeah, that's how it should work, I hope.